In this video, I will show you how to color correct your videos like a pro in Filmora 13, and how I transformed this into this. Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements Enquiry. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need. Firstly, drag and drop the footage to your timeline. Double-click on the video, and go to Color and then go to Basic. Now let's start adjusting here. Decrease the vibrance and saturation to -100%. Now decrease the tint to -15% as well. And let's increase the temperature to 12%. Let's now play around with the light. Increase the exposure to 10%. Decrease the brightness to -19%. Decrease the contrast to -9%. Increase the highlight to 100%. Increase whites to 12%. And make the blacks 100%. And with that we are done with the basic color correction on the footage. Now let's move on to adding the effects. And let's start color correcting with their help. The first effect we want to use is from the plugin New Blue Effects. It's called Color Fast. Let's drag and drop it to our timeline. Double-click on the effect and find the preset Black and White. Confirm that. Second effect is Day for Night. Let's drag and drop that to our timeline. Double-click on it to adjust it. Let's change the tint color to gray. Increase the tint to 50%. Desaturate 57.5%. Now go in light and let's increase the contrast to 18%. Decrease the brightness to minutes, 51%. Now go in darken. Change the color here to this bluish color. Increase darkness to 67%. Increase the sensitivity to 44%. And increase soften to 22.5%. Let's now drag and drop the Dream Glow effect. Increase blur to 100%. And increase the glow to 31.5%. Change the color to this purplish color. Now let's add the Film Color 2 effect. Double-click on it to adjust it. Change the tint color to this purplish color once again. Increase the saturation to 50%. Decrease the exposure to -5.1%. Increase the brightness to 10.3%. Increase the film gamma to 15%. And voila, we've created our color correction. Here's the before and after one more time. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Get your Filmora 13 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Enquiry. Peace.